This is a dragon fruit. Wait 1 second. Oh, there we go. Now we can have a better look. This is a yellow dragon fruit. And in today's video, we will see exactly what's inside. But before we do that, we are going to take a closer look. This is the yellow dragon fruit. Wow, what an incredible fruit. It kind of looks like a dragon or a lizard because of the spikes. It's not really hard. It's kind of smushy. It's like a mini pineapple or pine cone. That's a really cool looking fruit. Well, there's only one thing left to do. Let's see exactly what's inside. All right. Whoa, that was pretty easy. And pretty juicy. Wow. Look at that. This beautiful inside has black and white seeds. Wow. And this is what a dragon fruit looks like. Soft and juicy. Well, I think that's all that we have for this video because I have to taste it. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Wow, this beautiful dragon fruit. Well, as you can see, it's time to clean because that yellow dragon fruit was so juicy. Who would have ever known? Well, every scientist always cleans their own station. See you on the next one. G out.